Hey guys, it's Venom, and I'm to review my tablet, the Huon H42 or H420. So I'm just going to show you some gameplay of me using it in OSU. And first, I'm going to start with the specifications of this tablet. The active area is 4.17 by 2.34 inches. The report rate is 200 RPS. The reading height is 0.6, and it works with Windows 8, Windows 7, Vista, XP, and Mac OS 10.4. I'm gonna start with the bad things about this tablet. If you go too high, because this is only for OSU, no, it's not only for OSU, but I'm just gonna use the review just for OSU. I'm not gonna talk about drawing because I don't really use it, because it's not really good with drawing. But in OSU, if you go a little bit too high, or just in general, it loses signal to the pen, and it just like starts skipping it. It's not that good. Because if you want to go a little bit high, it won't really work. You have to kind of put it low, a little bit above the tablet, which a lot of people don't really have a problem with. I don't either. And the little pen point on it, if you're gonna play OSU, I would take that off because it's super sensitive, and I do not like it at all. So I took it off, and I don't use the pen point or the pen point on the tablet pen. But what's also cool with this tablet, this is actually the official tablet for the OSU tablet. I'm gonna show you a little picture right here. And you see this is actually the Huion 420, not the H.